Good day, everyone. We would be comparing today the different digital banking apps. Many Filipinos are still cautious of using digital banks for fear of scams and phishing. The pandemic highlighted the quick shift of bank transactions to digital. If you're ready, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for more videos like this in the future. Digital banking apps. The apps that we are gonna compare today are ING, CIMB, Union Bank Online, and Discartec. What is a digital bank? A digital bank is a bank that have no physical branches. They're mostly present online. This could be either an app on your phone or accessible through your internet browser. This model enables digital banks to offer higher interest rates because they have low overhead than traditional banks. The difference between online banking and digital banking is that almost all of the activity from opening an account is done digitally. While in online banking, only the core functions are digitized, such as bill payments and bank transfer. Account opening. All of them you could open an account from the app itself. Then you could also verify using the app. ATM card. ING doesn't have any ATM card. CIMB offers a free Visa ATM with a Fast Plus account, but you need to cash in 5,000 pesos for them to send the free ATM account to your address. And Union Bank Online issues debit card which it sends to your address upon verification, but it charges you 350 to 500 pesos per year. They would waive the charges if you have at least more than 10,000 pesos in average daily balance. And with this card tech, you could withdraw cardless from any of their RCBC ATM machines. You just need a reference number and an OTP. Product offering. As of now, ING only offers savings account, and CIMB offers the App Save account, the G Save account, which is in partnership with GCash. You could also avail of a personal loan from the CIMB app. With Union Bank, they have the Play Everyday. It's basically a card where you earn a point for every 20 pesos spent, and it charges you 500 pesos per year for the card. Then there's the Savings Plus. That's a 25,000 maintaining balance with free life insurance. three times your average daily balance. I forgot to mention the Upsave account. If you have a minimum of 100K on your account, they give you free life insurance also up to 1 million pesos. Then the personal savings has no maintaining balance, but the card costs 350 pesos a year. Then Get Go debit, you earn points for your Get Go account every time you use it. This Tech also has a savings account. Other feature is telemedicine, basically a online consultation in partnership with iDoc. Then you could pay the consultation package using the Tech app and Negociantec code. Basically, this is a referral system which when you refer someone, you get 30 pesos when after they verified. Then the one that you referred gets 10 pesos. Interest rate on savings. For the ING app, they offer 4% interest per annum until August 31 and 2.5% regular interest after. For the CIMB, for the AppSave and GSave account, they offer 4% interest until September 30. This is only valid for those with balance of 100,000 and up. Then they offer 3% regular interest per annum for those below the 100,000 limit. Union Bank Online only offers 0.1% interest in all of their savings account per annum. This Tech offers 3.25% interest per annum. Cashing in. With the ING app, you check deposit is available. You just take a picture of the check using the ING app. Then you could also fund transfer via PayMaya, GCash, and via InstaPay or PesoNet. The CIMB app, there are over-the-counter options with 7-Eleven, Bayad Center, Cebuana, LBC, El Olier, and Palawan Pawn Shop. You could also do an online cash in via Dragon Pay. And if you already have a GSave account, you could use your GCash account to top up your CIMB account using fund transfer. More like depositing to your GSave account than transferring it to your AppSave account or your Fast Plus account. Union Bank Online over-the-counter payment at any Union Bank branches. Also check deposit via the app, same as the ING, and fund transfer via PayMaya, GCash, and via InstaPay or PesoNet. With the Discartech app, since their target market are those the unbanked. So you could cash in at selected pawn shops like RD Pawn Shop, Tambunting, Elulier, and you could cash in also via EasyPay, Bayad Center, 7-Eleven, and Gaisano. Fund transfer to banks. With the ING app, you could fund transfer to other banks using PesoNet, and it's free of charge. With the CIMB app, it's the same also. You could fund transfer to other banks using PesoNet, and you could also transfer via Dragon Pay. And Union Bank Online, you could fund transfer to other banks using InstaPay and PesoNet, but you have to pay 10 pesos per transaction. There's no option of fund transfer to other banks with the Discartech app. Cashing out. Basically, you can't withdraw directly from your ING app. And with your CIMB bank, you could withdraw from Bayad Center branches or via the ATM with your Fast Plus account. And with Union Bank online, you could also withdraw using the ATM that they sent to you. With this CarTech app, you could use a cardless ATM withdrawal at any RCBC ATM machines. Basically, the app would send you an SMS, and on that SMS is a reference number and OTP that you would use to withdraw from any RCBC machines. Security. With the ING app, you could log in using your fingerprint or a passcode. And the CIMB app, you could also use a fingerprint recognition and password for login, and OTP for fund transfers, which will be sent to your mobile. What I like about the CIMB app, once you install it in one device, you can open it in another device. And Union Bank Online, it has fingerprint and face recognition, and also password for login. With the Discartech, fingerprint recognition and password for login. Conclusion. Although the Union Bank Online and Discartech have other features like setting a savings goal, you're also able to pay bills, load your mobile. The interest rate of Union Bank is less attractive for my savings goal. It is also worth noting that this Cartech is targeted to those who are unbanked, hence the method of deposit. I prefer to use the CIMB app, given that I have the luxury of having a high yield savings account and be able to withdraw it anytime with a free ATM or transfer it to any bank account. At the end of the day, no matter what you choose, it is how you use the tools that are provided that will define you. I would just like to add that the CIMB, I prefer it because it's ideal to park your emergency funds given the high rate of interest. Also, The free life insurance coverage is a plus, and it is highly accessible. With the free ATM, we could withdraw from any ATM, and it's free of charge, by the way. All interbank charges are free and have been waived by CIMB. Before I say goodbye, I just like to plug this. I'd like you to invite you to an event by the passionate creators. It would teach you how to build your own brand. I attended Louis' branding session or webinar, and it is worth every peso I paid. This webinar on the 29th is free. In turn, you just donate to Project Pearls to help feed the children this pandemic. I'll just post the link on the description. Thank you again for watching the video. If you have a request, comment down below. Please like and share the video. It would go a long way to grow the channel so we could provide more meaningful content for you. This is Jojo once again, leaving you with this quote. Never be afraid to take risks as long as your dream is in sight. Be safe, everyone.